Hi there! At myskillcamp, we are always looking to improve the way learners can access world-class content even faster and easier. With skills matching and catalog rules, you can integrate your favorite providers such as BookBoon, Coursera, and open classrooms into your learning space within minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you skills matching, which allows you to mix and match categories from providers with the skill categories from your learning space. In this way, you ensure a consistent catalog and a smooth learner experience. Before starting to match skills, you need to create skills categories in the Skills Center on iOrganize and integrate a provider first. You can find more information on how to do so on our Help Center and FAQ page. To start matching skills, go to your iOrganize interface and to the Integrations page. Go to the Providers page. On the Connected Provider section, click on the provider where you wish to match skills. Navigate to the Skills Matching page. Click on Edit. On the left side, you can see your skills from your Skills Center. On the right side, you can see the provider skills. Drag and drop the provider skills from the right side to your skills on the left side. Or, click on a skill on the left and then click on the provider skill on the right to match them. You can also match several skills to one another. The small number next to the provider skill counts the number of times you've matched the skill. If there's no number, then this means that you haven't matched the skill yet. Click on Validate to finish the skills mapping. If you wish to edit the skills matching, simply click on Edit to make changes. Now you can drag and drop or click match the provider skills with your skills. Click on Validate to save your changes. If you wish to remove a skill link, simply click on the Remove icon on the right side. Note that when you remove a skill link, you also remove all related content from the catalog if a provider skill is matched to only one of your skills and not to any other. If it's matched to more than one skill, then the content stays in the catalog under the other skills categories. Select Validate to save your changes. Click on Update the catalog, then on Validate. Updating the catalog is the last step that always needs to be done with each option to make sure changes are implemented in the catalog. Give this a try for the next time you integrate a provider.